Me hear say a man dey out of Fimi ground. I sell weed.
Hey boy, fire.
You see I'll come move there with me. And you say, wrong somebody get conned.
Is there any information you can tell me about what took place?
I don't know what to tell you, sir. All I know that my son went to work and he didn't come home back.
You know, money can't bring him back either, but I know he can probably fix up some of the situation them and sort out the funeral and something. You see me?
Only not sorry for me. I don't want nobody sorry for me, pity me, and give me no money towards my son's burial.
He was doing drugs, he was handling guns, bad company. I want to say bad company, and you know me I talk about gang.
It's great, and I'm not sure if you are aware of the video that is online right now circulating.
But what about the video that you see, sir?
The video clearly states that your son was involved in a lot of things.
Then bull no bad dirty boy. I mean, know you want justice, but you have to also protect your own life too.
You know, I say you put out on news the other day. Some of them want to mess up the news a little bit. I mean, a content you create, you know.
Me just believe, say, she just want to get money locked up for her son. I just call up some name. And if you come back on station, make sure you know say I know you.
What you mean when you say, you here say my son did involve in all kind of wrongdoing and you believe so?
You see this? This have up on top, so see?
Hold on. What exactly do I mean?
It's a strap here, big man. But
No, bro.
Maybe we have start looking into you because you have some questionable things.
Look into me. The last time somebody tried to look into me, you know what happened to them? They end up like the person who did that. Me, I tell you, say, to just leave that alone.
So that boy was a criminal.
But how close this case?
Take it as a me, you know. But I say if me hear say nothing else go on and no police involved and you ask too much question, you can't go give no mercy, you know.